deep. That's all confirmed. So the response is a hoax, but the collapse is real. So I'm going to play you a clip, or I'm going to play you a 5-minute compilation that we finished up in like 2013. This is on our computers. This is just up collectively of people saying the New World Order is world government and that you must accept it. Francois Mitterrand pledged that the New World Order was a ritual to Lucifer. You can pull that up. I've got the quotes right here. He put that in a book he wrote. And I had Nightline here once. Here, read me. There's no New World Order. I showed him a bunch of clips. The clips you're about to see. And the host of Nightline looked at me and he goes, Alex, that's a different world government you're talking about. It's called gaslighting. Here's the thing. If this was a New World Order bringing capitalist society and empowerment and pro-human future, it was better in America. I'd say, hey, I'm no longer in America. I sign up for these things. This thing is horrible. End of civilization. Pedophile Satanism. I will fight to the death against these people because it's spiritual death to go along with it. Here she is with pleasure. Because like Ryan Stelter, Hillary Clinton, or any of these people, Oliver Darcy, they want power. It's the weak. They have signed on with the world government system. And the Pope is saying Christianity, needs to open up to Islam and the families. All this, everything's under attack now. The enemy has unplugged. It's taken over all the major institutions. It's censoring everything. And I'm freaked out that InfoWars are the last ragtag groups that didn't sell out. They've already sold out. And that does not mean those 4 churches that are the biggest dens of devils you will find. All churches count demonic command bases, fire bases. The enemy has taken everything over except your heart, your soul, and your connection to God. You open up, you can defeat the enemy anytime by letting God do it for you. Commit yourself into Christ's hands. This is a satanic enemy we're fighting. So here is this true servant of Satan being protected from your own words because you're not supposed to know about the Luciferian initiation. Here it is.
I'm thinking about an executive order from day one that says, in more legalese than this is not a thing. We will not no longer honor this because the way that automatic prerogative works is there's got to be compliance with the executive branch because otherwise it doesn't work. So you got to eliminate that compliance. You make it a mandate, and then you do training, particularly in the city. I'll call them licensing departments, whether it's zoning, buildings, housing will be impacted by it, planning certainly, and you pick the people that run those agencies and the deputies that are pledging allegiance to the New World Order and good governance, and then I think you have the Inspector General do some spot audits to make sure that there is real compliance.
They never call it government, they call it governance. And she's saying Agenda 2020, Agenda 2030, that's it. At the low level, it's the grassroots control of zoning your life, making it impossible to live, making it impossible to have a small business. That's what all this is about. And now they're like, hey, you're not essential. Your small businesses ain't ever opening up. It's a power move. And she's right up there telling you the whole 9 yards. When we come back, we're going to show you U.S. presidents, British prime ministers, German chancellors pledging themselves